Hello students, today we're going to start learning about surface area, and I know we did a little bit with surface area before our break when we did the gingerbread houses, but we're going to dive deep into surface area, and we have a formula that we're going to use. And the formula is surface area equals capital PH plus 2 capital B. Now you'll hopefully remember that capital B stands for area of the base. Well, I wonder what capital P stands for. I've asked several people on campus to see what they think capital P stands for, so let's see what they have to say. Mrs. Holly, what does capital P stand for when we're talking about the surface area of prisms?
Surface area of a prism. First thing that comes to mind is purple. I don't know.
Are we ready?
Mrs. Hines, when we talk about surface area of a prism, what does capital P stand for?
Surface area and P. Something pretty important, I think.
Mrs. Brown, when we talk about surface area of prisms, what does capital P stand for?
Pretzels?
Mrs. Jones, when we talk about surface area of prisms, what does capital P stand for?
Please help.
Coach Johnson, when we're talking about surface area of prisms, what does capital P stand for?
Maybe. Penelope?
Mrs. Hujae, when we talk about surface area of prisms, what does capital P stand for?
Princess Hujae, because everything comes back to me.
Mrs. Bilton, when we talk about surface area of prisms, what does capital P stand for?
No, you may not go to the bathroom and bring your pencil every day.
Mrs. Goforth, when we talk about surface area of prisms, what does capital P stand for?
For perfect Patty, go forth, of course.
Coach Wren, when we talk about surface area of prisms, what does capital P stand for?
Well, actually, it stands for Peyton, the most perfect name that's ever been created.
Mrs. Lessman, when we talk about surface area of prisms, what does capital P stand for?
Passive-aggressive subtweets.
Mrs. Rogers, when we talk about surface area of prisms, what does capital P stand for?
Peppa Pig, of course.
Mrs. T, when we talk about surface area of prisms, what does capital P stand for?
Perfect. Like me.
Hey, 8th grade math teachers, when we talk about surface area of prisms, what does capital P stand for?
Perimeter of the base, of course.
So as you can see, not a lot of people understand what capital P stands for when we're talking about surface area of prisms. But thankfully, your 8th grade math teachers came to the rescue. Capital P stands for perimeter of the base. Okay? 4 words, perimeter of the base. You've got to know that, because sometimes in the formula it's going to just say capital P. You got to understand what the capital P stands for. It means perimeter of the base. So whatever shape my base is, I have to find the perimeter of it. Remember, perimeter is the sum of all of the sides. So I take all the sides, add them together, and that means the perimeter. Sometimes when we're looking at rectangles, they only give you 2 sides. But you know that rectangles have 4 sides, so you got to make sure you add up all 4 sides, even if they only give you 2 of them, because the other 2 are going to be the same. Okay? When we talk about capital P, perimeter of the base. Add up all of the sides of the base, and that's what goes with capital P. H is the height of the whole prism. And that's what we will get to when we talk about things later. Okay? Remember capital P, perimeter of the base.